welcome back to my channel. It's Glambykiki. Hello, hi. If you are new, I go by the name of Kiana, but my social media handles are Glambykiki. And welcome to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so you get notified every time I upload. And for today, if you haven't already seen the title of this video, I am doing the Patrickstarrr collaboration, his collection of the Floral Realness. I didn't get one, but I got both collections, so I'm super stoked to show you guys what they are and what I think of them and swatches and all that. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the CHIC one, which is the lighter shade, which is the more natural, the more innocent. And this is the packaging so far. It is super cute. Like, you cannot go wrong. The packaging already has sold me. When I saw it, I was just like, yes, yes, yes. I'm throwing my coins at you, MAC. I like the concept. And let's get inside of let's go inside and see what's in it. So I love that inside comes the little face chart of CHIC. It gives you like a little inspiration, a little to go by of like if you want to create a look. It is super cute, and I think this is very creative, and I love this look. It's so beautiful but just still glamorous. So this is so beautiful for my ladies who are not into like very bold colors but want to try a little bit of color, and you can definitely go in reference of this picture. Of course, you could tailor it to your liking, but this is super innovative and I love it. It says, well, first it says that it comes with an amplified lipstick, a lip glass, an eyeshadow quad, one powder blush duo, and this retails for $49.50. It all sums up to just $50, which is super amazing. The quad, the blush, the lip glass, and the lipstick, I think that's a big steal. So if you're a beauty on a budget girl, I think this is very affordable and is very appropriate and is definitely Glambykiki approved. Called Stay With Me, the palette, and look how beautiful it is. So this is the deep purple, this is the bright purple, this is a nice sparkling pink with a, not pink, a dusty mauve. So this is the dusty mauve, and this is a nice little fuchsia pink that's very subtle, and it has shimmer. So these two right here, they have a subtle shimmer, and these two right here, they're more on the matte side. That's how they look. I love them. I'm gonna swatch them. This is how they are swatched. They're very pigmented. I love them so far. I cannot wait to play with them. The powder blush duo. This one's very soft, very peachy. This is how it looks. I love it. I'm loving this one especially because it's like a deeper blush, but you can also warm up the cheeks with this, as if you wanted like if you didn't want to put any bronzer on, you can get away with this and then put a little bit of this one at the apple of the cheeks, and it'll be very soft and gentle. I find this super clever. They're very smooth. I love it. Very silky, very buttery. The packaging even has his signature. How cute is this? So this one's MAMASTARRR Kiss. I love the smell. It's super cute. It has a pink purple iridescence to it, but it's still natural. I love it. Sweet MAMASTARRR, the lipstick. And it's this beautiful natural color. Beautiful that is. Paired with that gloss is gonna be perfect. It's gonna be beautiful. Next one I'm going to be showing is the Miso FLEEK, which is this beautiful bold deep purples, and I can't wait to try this one on. Play With Me, which is a little bit more on the brighter side. So pink, a blue, a dusty mauve, and a nice little pink goldish iridescent one. So beautiful, so beautiful. These colors are definitely, I love how they pair together. Take Me Home, and this is their blush duo, which is a little bit mauvey, a little bit more rosy. I love how it looks. It's so pretty. How beautiful. These look so beautiful. It's called Hey Boy Hey, because if you're trying to find a honey, you need to stand out. But look at this beautiful berry color. Yes, this is so beautiful. You go ahead and swatch that. Oh yes, I usually don't steer towards this type of color for my lip, but this is really pretty that I have to like try it. This is how it looks. It is so beautiful and pigmented. It's so creamy. This is definitely something that it's out of my comfort zone, but I'm willing to give it a try. Also, we have Queen P, which is like a very bright pink gloss with blue and pink reflex on it, which is so beautiful and so unique. You could use alone or you could use it with a gloss, which is super great. Look how pretty this is. Yes. Okay, Queen P. So I'm taking the Miso FLEEK palette and I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, right in the crease. And there's not a lot of kickback, and I'm using my Morphe M5 73 brush right in the crease. Oh. Okay guys, so I finished one eye and putting on my lashes off camera, but as you can tell, this palette is everything. Look how pigmented, and I just created this look with just this eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm shook because I usually use a few palettes in order to create like a look like this or something, but I am shook. I love how it looks, how it lays, how it blends. It's so beautiful. Oh, and for the lashes, if you guys want to know what lashes I'm using, these are the Bombshell lashes from Bombshell Cosmetica on Instagram in the style Goddess. These are super fluffy, very dramatic, but still glamorous at the same time, and I'm loving this look so much. I love it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the Miso CHIC blush duo. Might as well use both palettes, both collaborations in one to see how they work and how they look. So I'm gonna use I'm Not Blushing, which is more soft and gentle and a little bit more fresh and airy, because I don't want to have too much of a strong like blush. So I'm gonna use this to be the eyes, and I already did my contour and my bronzer off camera, So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So I'm gonna use this one, the deeper one, more far back, and then I'm gonna use the lighter one towards the apples on my cheek. And I'm using the Moda Pro. Oh yes, this is really pretty. But you just do circular motions. Can we get into this eye look though, like real quick? Like, so beautiful. Lighter shade towards the apples on my cheek. Oh yes, I am living for it. Oh my god, I'm living for this. It's like the lighter one has like a little bit of a sheen to it, which acts like a little bit of radiance, like highlight. It is so pretty. I am living for it right now. So look, this is how it looks. My highlighter. Of course, you guys already know what highlighter I'm going to use. Artist Couture. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I kind of wanted to go with the soft one from CHIC. I want to go in with Sweet MAMASTARRR, which looks like this. Super pretty. It's so juicy, it's so glossy. Love, love, love it.